Good evening. We present the news summary. The Seychelles Fishing Authority, SFA, met with fishermen on Ladig in a consultative meeting. The aim was to discuss issues affecting fishermen on the island. The fishermen touched on various concerns, amongst which was reparation of the platoon at La Paz and congestion of boats in the jetty area. The meeting took place at the Chalet Bamboo Vert recently, and present were the Minister responsible for fisheries, Jean-François Ferrari, the Chief Executive Officer of SFA, Nicole Elizabeth, board members of the SFA and the MNE for the Inner Islands, Rocky Urani. Working in unity, making propositions and finding solutions for the betterment of their business were issues discussed during a meeting between the Omnibus Association and the Seychelles Chamber of Commerce and Industry SCCI last week. Present for the first time was the representative of the Pralin Omnibus operators. The association brought forward many issues they wished to address together with the help of the SCCI and the government. The chairperson of SCCI, Oliver Bastien, urged all omnibus operators and all businesses operators to join in unity to achieve positive results and prosperous businesses. Members of the United Workers Union converged in the town center this morning to protest against government's decision, which they say are affecting workers in the country. It's the second time the union organized such a protest. The first was last Saturday. The deputy chairman of the United Workers Union, Jerry Sofa, said almost 250 workers came to the union's office and more than 100 has asked for assistance. A group of 14 women entrepreneurs have learned how to start and run a business. This was during a two-day workshop held at the Washkaima Community Center. It was organized by the L'Entreprendre au Féminin Océan Indien in partnership with the Seychelles chapter of the COMESA Federation of Women in Business. Its main aim is to help women achieve self-empowerment, development, and growth. The practical part of the workshop will be held on the 14th of October.
In this particular one, they learn how to do business plans, how to manage their finances, how to do marketing, and how to target customers. It will help them to gain confidence in themselves, to believe in themselves, and to realize that they have the tools, or they can get the necessary tools to market their products, to improve their products, innovate, and then sell locally, nationally, regionally, and internationally.
About 20 mangroves were planted this morning on the Anse Royal beach by a delegation from the European Union, together with workers from the Seychelles Fishing Authority, the Ministry of Fisheries, and the MNE for the district of Anse Royal, as well as its district administrator. The aim was to sensitize the public about the importance of the environment to protect the coastal areas from erosion and natural disasters. The ambassador of the European Union, Vincent Diger, said that the planting of mangroves will help ease the erosion problem.
We know that there is much too much plastic in the ocean. If we continue like that, by 2050 there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean. So obviously we need to change that trend, and we have to demonstrate that everybody has something to do with it. What we have to avoid is throw new garbage in the water, because everything goes from the ridge to the reef. As we know, you throw garbage in the river and the river brings it down, and everything ends up actually in the sea. So it's very important to sensitize the population, the young generations as well, go in the schools, education, learn about the ecosystem, both terrestrial and in the sea also, because we are really at risk.
And with this, we have come to the end of this news summary. Thank you for your attention.